Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing fabulous today. Today's video is sponsored by Bestlacewigs, guys. They sent me over one of their units that I'll be installing for you today. So these are the little goodies that I got in the package: comb, edge brush, I got some clips, wig caps, and all the little necessities I need for my install. Let's talk about the wig. What can we talk about the packaging, guys? I love a nice luxe packaging. But anyways, this is the wig. This is what the curls are looking like. It's their big curly hair. The curls are very nice and juicy. They are soft to the touch as I run my fingers through them. And this is the cap construction, guys. They have an adjustable removable strap so you can secure your wig on your head to your desired fit. So this unit features their 6-inch deep part on it, so that parting is going all the way back, and it's their new Clean Hairline HD lace. So the lace is looking really thin, it's pre-plucked, it's pre-bleached, so it's just ready to go on my head. I did no work, absolutely no work to this unit, guys. I just cut the ear tabs off and I'm ready to install. The unit is in 20 inches and it's also 150% density. I will leave the direct link to this unit in the description box, so please go ahead and check that out. Of course, you can change the parting on your wig. You can do a side part to the left or to the right. You can add some braids to your unit. You can just have fun with this unit because they did such a good job with constructing it for you, so it has that very natural look. But for me right now, I want to show you what it would look like if you took it from the box and literally just installed it on your head. Like you have a date night and you need something quick to install that would look realistic. That is what we're trying to accomplish today. So I'm going to be doing minimal work, low effort work on this unit to see how it's going to look. Right off the bat, guys, I can tell you this lace is looking so good. I can just imagine it's going to give me a nice melted natural look. So to secure the lace, I'm using my ebony lace bond today, and this one is in the black bottle. Once it's dried down a little and it's kind of tacky, I'm going ahead and I'm applying the lace directly on that. I made sure to do all my measurements before I spray with my lace bond because you don't want it to get messy. You want to make sure you're laying that lace exactly where it needs to go. So that's all I'll be doing right now. Once I do that, I'm going to add some compression to it. I'm going to tie it down with a band, and then we can begin working on these curls. Okay guys, so now let's go ahead and cut all that excess lace off. But the lace on this, the Clean Hairline, looks so good. You can't even tell that the lace wasn't cut from that angle that I was showing you. Look at this right here. The lace is so thin. I just have to make mention of it as I'm just looking at it. So what I'm going to do now is spray a little bit of that lace bond on my hand and use my comb to lightly tap that into the edge where I cut so I can melt that down. Now let's get into the fun part, guys. Let's get these curls popping. So firstly, I want to get the hair wet, so I'm just spraying the hair with just water. I'm spraying the hair, getting it nice and wet, and then I'm going to go in with some mousse, guys, and lather that throughout the unit. Then I'm going to add a little bit of this coconut curling cream. The goal is to get these curls popping. So we're adding a little bit of this coconut curling cream all throughout the unit, and already you can see the curls are coming back to life. So I twisted that down to let it dry down a bit, and now I'm just going to repeat the process on this side as well. So wet, mousse, coconut curling cream, then we twist, okay? Now that we've worked on the curls, let's take a look on our lace. And what lace? What lace? Where is it, guys? It looks so good. The hairline looks so realistic. So I am pleased with this. I will be doing nothing else to this. It looks perfect. So let me go ahead and untwist my hair, and then I'm going to use my diffuser to dry it down a bit more because I still think it's a little bit wet, and I want it to dry down so I can get to see those nice juicy curls. So now that I'm happy with how the curls are looking, I'm just using my hot comb to lay everything down. You notice how sleek the top of the wig is looking. I'm just going to use my hot comb to make sure everything is nice and laid. And that's it for the install, guys. Let's get into the final look. So let's get into this final look, guys. This wig is so cute. I made sure to do a no baby hair look because this lace is too impeccable to hide. Just look how natural the hair is transitioning as if it's coming from my scalp. I can't see the lace. I know you can't see the lace. I know we agree that this lace from Bestlacewigs, it's a do-de-do. All right, so the curls are looking really good. I got minimal shedding from this unit, and it was so easy to work with. Thank you, Bestlacewigs, for sending this over. The link to the hair will be in the description, guys, so go ahead and check it out. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.